Good morning. You have a meeting at 9. Perfect. I am ready.
Sounds good to me.
Here, humans and AI work hand in hand. Instant support delivered in every language, solving the complex while AI handles the rest.
Neural scan complete.
Direct mapping is active. Here, learning is guided by intelligence. Holographic models bring complex theories to life. Teachers inspire while AI enhances.
Welcome to the future of food production, where autonomous systems work together to maximize every harvest, driven by intelligent data.
AI instantly detects cyber threats, securing global networks, protecting billions of users. Good morning. Based on your vitals, I recommend a light jog today. It is a pleasure to finally meet you.
Likewise, the translation is we are finally decoding it.
This compound is blocking the replication perfectly.
This is a breakthrough for medicine. Welcome to the moon. The tablet shows the mining vehicles are on track.
Everything looks good from here.
Here, robots and humans. This AI generation is flawless.
Now let's give it some soul.
We are witnessing the dawn of a hyper-connected era, where technology dissolves borders and unites humanity. Instantly.
Here, humans and technology walk side by side, living in a world of perfect harmony and endless opportunity.